Welcome to the CaseBank 4-Minute Update, featuring 7 of the 46 new summaries added to the database during May of 2021. Case 1. California Supreme Court holds that a witness's subjective certainty as to an eyewitness identification is not a factor the jury should consider in favor of a correct identification. Error is harmless in this case, but CalCrim 315 needs to be amended. Case 2. After the defendant gives discovery of psychologist reports regarding the defendant, prosecutor seeks and receives an order that the defendant be tested by prosecution shrinks under Evidence Code 730. Held. Defendant may not condition such testing on having someone present during the tests. Case 3. California Supreme Court holds that on appellate review of a denial of a defendant's motion under 1473.7 of the Penal Code to withdraw his guilty plea due to pending deportation, the appellate court will conduct de novo review of the defendant's evidence showing prejudice. Case 4. Defendant's felony murder conviction from 1988 is vacated under PC 1170.95. The uncharged underlying felonies from 1988 were burglary and robbery. Held. The 1170.95 judge can sentence defendant on both burglary and robbery. Case 5. Defendant found to be 1368 and ordered to state hospital. Due to overcrowding, hospital refused to admit defendant in a timely fashion. Court imposes monetary sanction on the hospital under CCP 177.5. Upheld. This is a chronic problem going back many years. Sanction remedy is a remedy of last resort. Case 6. Defendant is convicted of felony murder. After the verdict, but before the sentencing, Senate Bill 1437 passes, changing felony murder and creating the 1170.95 procedure. Defendant brings motion for new trial. Held. Motion should be granted. The PC 1170.95 procedure does not apply to this defendant. Case 7. The defendant's co-defendant is a friend, political fundraiser, advisor of the elected DA, and a friend of the chief assistant DA. Arguably, the co-defendant has a good reason why he might want to call the DA as a witness. Held. While a co-defendant has a good recusal motion, this defendant does not. For a PDF of all the summaries added during the month of May, or to download the entire database, go to our website at casebanklaw.com.